How to fix Perplexity AI sign-in issues. Having trouble signing in to Perplexity AI? Let's fix that step by step so you can get back to exploring. First, double check your email and password. Typos are a common issue. If you are using Google or Apple to sign in, make sure you are logged into the correct linked account in your browser. If the page keeps reloading or shows an error, try clearing your browser cache. Still stuck? Try using an incognito window or temporarily disable browser extensions that might be interfering with sign in. What's your favorite thing to use Perplexity for? Let us know in the comments below. If none of these work, click Forgot Password or contact Perplexity support through their help form for account-specific assistance. And that's how you can fix Perplexity AI sign-in issues. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.